If you've been dreaming of longer, fuller lashes, you need to watch this video till the very end. I'm going to show you a simple, natural trick that can make your lashes look amazing in just 1 week. Yes, really. So grab a mirror, get comfy, and let's get started. Let's make a simple DIY lash serum at home. You'll need just a few natural ingredients. Castor oil for growth. Coconut oil for nourishment. Vitamin E oil for strength. Mix 1 teaspoon castor oil, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, and 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E oil in a clean, small container. Stir or shake well until fully blended. That's it, your lash serum is ready. Now let's talk about application. Use a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab. Gently apply a thin layer right along your upper lash line. You don't need a lot, just a light, even coating. And always make sure you're careful not to get any product directly into your eyes. Apply it every night before bed, consistently. Your lashes get time to rest and absorb all the nourishing oils while you sleep. And here's the exciting part. Over the next few weeks, you'll start to notice your lashes looking stronger, softer, and fuller. It's natural, simple, affordable, and honestly, one of my favorite beauty hacks. So if you want long, healthy lashes without spending a ton on serums, give this DIY a try.